Ah, this popcorn, you can breathe it, you can crunch it, you can taste it, you can feel the yumminess, the crunchiness, the healthy feeling of it. Your movie time can never be boring. Your idle time can never be boring. Once you have this popcorn available in your space, within the snap of fingers, you get your popcorn done with the easiest, tastiest recipe. Let me show us how I got it done. Let's go. For this process, we start by adding our vegetable oil. I added like up to a teaspoon and a half of oil of my choice. I melted in some butter. When you're making popcorn by yourself, you have control of the calories. I melted in my sugar, granulated sugar. I don't like it to be more sugary, so the more sugar I added is enough for what I want. So when everything is melted in and the sugar turns slightly brownish, be careful not to over fry the sugar so that it won't become bitter. From sugary taste to bitter taste. And then add your corn. There's this special corn that's normally used for popcorn. It's not like the regular corn that you can see around. There's special corn used for popcorn. Add it, stir it, stir fry. You stir it. Don't be surprised that everything that you're going to be doing, everything that I did regarding this popcorn happens to be on over a low flame. Yeah. You can also add little amount of salt to taste. I added a little amount of salt to taste to balance out the sugary taste. So over a low flame, I just set my pot and I was shaking the pot. Don't forget that you need to be shaking the pot at intervals. Yeah, because you don't want the corn kernels to get burnt. So when you're shaking it, you're distributing the heat evenly. Before you know it, start popping. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. It has started popping, and there's no going back. That's how it keep popping until all the corn kernels will pop completely. Yeah, the excitement that comes with seeing this corn start popping is unimaginable, especially for your first time. You'll be like, wow, this is real. This is really happening. It's really happening. So just do it. Just do it. Just try it. Your movie time, your idle time, you must have something to chew on, crunch on. Popcorn is the right choice. You control the calorie when you do it by yourself. You know the amount of oil you're adding, the amount of butter you're adding, the amount of sweetener you're adding, your salt you're adding. So you control what you're ingesting. Yep. Our popcorn is getting ready. Just like that. Just like that. It doesn't even take time. I can't wait to start crunching on this. Just listen. The popping sound is so exciting. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I can't help the thrill. Hey, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share so that others can still watch. There are more recipes coming, and there are more interesting content coming up my channel. And with your subscription and clicking the bell button, you'll be among the first to know when I posted anything new. For that special taste, I added my powdered milk. Add to your taste. If you're the type that normally likes powdered milk, you understand. So add the powdered milk to your taste and just mix. That's all. And enjoy a crunchy moment. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.